Hey everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Look what came in the mail today. I got my Jeffree Star mystery box. This is the Valentine's Day mystery box. I don't own anything Jeffree Star. Jeffree Star was one of the brands I wanted to try this year. And so I thought, why not do the mystery box? Because I'm not going to get any duplicates because I don't have anything. And I don't know, mystery boxes are kind of fun. Let me open this. It just came in the mail. I wasn't expecting it because I washed my hair, took a shower, washed my hair. So my hair is wet. I'm letting it air dry. So, let's see. I just had to open it though. I'm just dying to see what's in here. Alright. Okay. It's just a box. Sort of like the size of a BoxyCharm box, or maybe a little smaller. You had a choice of purchasing the $40 box or the, I believe, $75 box. I knew about this and I totally forgot about it. It really wasn't a priority in my life that day. And so then I remembered, oh yeah, I think I saw something on Trend Moods. And I'm like, oh yeah, let me go over and order that box. Well, all that was left was the $40 box. So that's fine with me. I didn't need $75 worth of products when I haven't tried him out before. Also, I have on no lips and no highlighter because that's what's supposed to be in this. His highlighter, a highlighter, and some lips. I've seen other people's unboxings. So, pretty pink tissue. And yes, wow, I got, okay, I got extra. I've seen everybody get 2 liquid lips, a bullet lip, and a highlighter. I got 4 lips and a highlighter. And I got a highlighter I haven't seen anybody. I've watched all these unboxings and people got them right away, and everybody got like the mint green one or the highlighter or like this real rosy one. Wow, I got an extra. I'm kind of excited. First thing, I got a pop socket. And I don't have one on my phone. And I'm like, do I need one? But I think I might stick that on my phone. I might try that out. But man. Okay, what did I get? I got maybe I didn't get more than anybody else. Maybe I didn't. I got 3 velour lipsticks and a lip ammunition. I don't remember people getting 4 lips though. Maybe I'm wrong. My brain. But let's start with, I got a Skin Frost. And the Skin Frost I got was in King Tut. Ooh, this is interesting. It's big. Big, big. I gotta go back and watch other people's unboxings and see if I'm just crazy. If I'm remembering wrong. Oh, look. I can wear that. I know I can wear that. I can make that work. Oh, that is straight up gold. Oh, there, mirror's right here. That is just straight up gold. I'm gonna just, oh, I am beyond happy. It's very, very shiny, so you have to use a light hand. Oh, man. Yep. Might got a little too much there, but be very careful. Mascara. Oh. Oh, man. That is a very pretty highlight. What do you guys think? I'm so excited. I didn't get the mint green one or the hot pink one. I got one I can use. Thank you, Jeffree. Thank you very much. Now, for the lips. I didn't get the same bullet other people got. Oh, we have a Charlie on the table. Come here, babe. Come here. Come here. Come over here. All right, the bullet lip I got, the lip ammunition is in X Supermodel. So let's see what this looks like. This is what they look like. Yeah, You approve, Charlie? Okay. Oh, look at that shade. Well, I won't put my hand up there. I think you could probably see it better without my hand. Let me grab my mirror. And she's gone. Now, I already know I think this is too light for me just to wear on its own, but it'll look great mixed, I'm sure, with other lipsticks. Let's swatch it. Let's see, swatch it this way. Yep, that's a sweet pink. All right, I'm gonna put it on. Okay, my first impressions. Let me see, is this a matte? I don't know if this is a matte or not. It's not as creamy as I usually like in a lipstick. But that's okay. I'm not unhappy with it. The color is too bright for me to wear just with my regular looks. I will be mixing it with other things. And it's a little patchy because it's this pink. I had to put it on quite a bit. But I like it. I am not unhappy with it. So great, let's take this off and try the next one, see what we got. Let's go with these velour lips. I've seen Clout, other people unbox Clout, but the other two I've not seen. So let's start with Clout. I think, ooh, what beautiful packaging. Can you see all that glitter? I hope you can see that. That packaging is just full of glitter. And then, oh, a little chunky there. This is a straight up metallic lavender. That is a metallic lavender for sure. Let's put this on. There we go. Again, this is not a lip I would wear on an everyday basis, but I would mix it. I would mix it with other lipsticks. I would use it for a little pop of shine on my lips, like in the center. I'm not unhappy with it. It matches my t-shirt. My t-shirt I got on my cruise. But yeah, I'm not unhappy with it at all. So let's move on. I'm going to take this one off and we'll try the next one. Okay, next I got a Skin Frost in Posh Spice. So let's see what this one looks like. Ooh, now that's a nice nude lip. That's a nude shade. Yeah, that's a brown nude. I might be able to wear this on its own. Some browns I can wear, some I can't. Let's try this on and see. Okay, there we go. This one I would definitely need a lip liner with because my lips are kind of a, you know, have a lot of pigment in them. But you know, I don't hate this one. I like this one. I would wear this lip on its own. I definitely would. I think it looks nice. I do. So let's go on and try the last one. Okay, and the last color I got was Scandal. Looks like it might be purple, just from the tag on the box. It's another one of the glitter ones. I like that. I like that glitter packaging. Let's look at Scandal. Oh, no, it's... Let me shake it up a bit. It seems a little... like it needs to be shook. Yeah, there we go. It's more of a mauve. There you go. You see it? Let's put this on my lips. I think this is definitely one I can wear. This one is my favorite. This is one I could wear every day. This would be an everyday shade for me. So there they are. I am not unhappy. Let me swatch King Tut for you because all I did was put it on my face. Let me open this. I don't know why I put it back in this packaging. Look at that. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. That is gorgeous. I love what I got. I'm very happy. I'm very pleased. There's nothing there that I won't use, that I can't mix, match. So I am very, very pleased with what I got from Jeffree Star. So the box is supposed to value at $115. I think I got what everybody got, amount of lips. Because when you add it up, I think the lips, I believe, are $18 a piece. And I'm not sure how much the Skin Frost is. So, yeah, $115 worth of value and paid $40. So, that was a pretty good deal. Pretty good deal. Would I do this again with Jeffree Star? No, because I don't go too wild. And I just wanted to try some of his products. And I do like them. And now what I would do is if I want something, I just pick out the shade I want. But this was fun. Great way to try out a new line. And I might continue doing this. A lot of companies are doing these mystery boxes and bags. It's a good way to try a line if you've never used it before. So I might do this again with makeup I have never tried. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you got this box, what colors did you get? And if you're new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe. So thank you all again for watching, and I'll see you next time.